welcome you all to Phonetics Pro. So today I am heading towards Chandigarh. So while heading towards Chandigarh, we will gonna learn some vocabulary in Russian language. The things which will come, I will gonna explain you that things in Russian. Okay. So the word is Garod. What means Garod? Garod means city. So it is a city. This is Nahan city. We will learn more and more words throughout our journey. So the next word of our vocabulary is stadion. You can see the ground here in front of me, which means stadion in Russian language. It's stadion. Stadion means playground. As we are heading towards Chandigarh, guess the next vocabulary which comes or hits in your mind. So in this, I'm gonna tell you the meaning of trees. Trees means derevya. Derevya in Russian. We are crossing some of the villages, and this is one of the village, which means derevya in Russian. Derevya is tree, derevya is village. Wow. You can see the animal over here. Guess the vocabulary of this animal. Please guess the vocabulary of this animal. Oh my god! It's so funny. You can see one of them are sitting. My god. So let me tell you the vocabulary of this animal. It's обезьяна. Обезьяна means monkey in Russian. Обезьяна. These are обезьяnas. How cute обезьяnas. So Chandigarh is 10 kilometers from here. 10 means they sit. They sit. The new vocabulary of Russian is Malchik. A boy means Malchik. And the next vocabulary is Lyudis. Lyudis means people. You have seen the people going from path. The next vocabulary is Mashina. Mashina means vehicle. And in vehicle, it can be auto, it can be car, it can be truck, it can be anything. We call Mashina in Russian to a vehicle. Chandigarh, left. Left means Sliva. Chandigarh is on the left. So in Russian we can say Chandigarh Sliva. So we have entered the Chandigarh. Enter means Vaiti. We have entered the Chandigarh. Enter means Vaiti in Russian language. So I guess you have learned a lot of vocabulary of Russian language